I think there's one name that come undoubtedly to us. Sunil Chhetri, the man who's transcended every single boundaries that an Indian footballer can dream of.
Definitely, and trying to match the great man as well when it comes to international goals. Up with the greats there, with the Ronaldos and the Messis, and love to see a smile on the face. Sometimes it can be overwhelming, of course, but he's enjoying every bit of this occasion here at the Salt Lake.
Talking about a bit of a skill, you could also bring in Baichung Bhutia with I Am Vijayan. And that was a wonderful combination for the national side as well. And here the crowd enjoying every moment of it, because the greatest is here. The dream is here. Leo Messi in Kolkata again after 14 long years.
Every time the crowds just get louder and louder. Jerseys signed, shirts signed, boots, footballs, you better keep them safe, because these are things to cherish. We saw the amount of white and blue when we entered the stadium. At 6 o'clock in the morning there were fans lining up, all for this great man. There we see the Argentina flag as well, lots of the Indian flags as well, and this is such a grand occasion.
6 a.m. today, Liam, is too late. The crowd started yesterday night. I think when we left, the lines outside the stadium, they were massive. So that just tells you the praise, the fan, the love, the unbridled emotions that these fans, they bring in for Lionel Messi. And of course, let's not forget the two other superstars, Luis Suarez and Rodrigo de Paul.
कल रात को कोलकाता हवाई अड्डा में काफी जो मेसी फैंस है वो पहुंच चुके थे और वेट कर रहे थे, और जब उनकी कैवलकेड जो वहां से निकली तो सारे वो चैंट कर रहे थे, मेसी मेसी वी लव यू एंड द वर्ल्ड एवर। वो जहां भी जाते हैं सभी एक ही आवाज उठती है, वही गूंजते हैं सब, लियो मेसी वी लव यू।
Most definitely, I think it is unparalleled fans that we've seen here in India and across the world. They've got tattoos, they've got cafes in his name, they've got taxis decorated in his name, they've got absolutely everything. It doesn't end anywhere, does it?
For the ones wondering in the commentary box as well, we have got a Messi staff along with us. That's the fandom, guys. That's the fandom.
Would you call Leo Messi the gift of God to the mankind?
Absolutely, that's the most apt way to put it, because it is a gift from God. The way he moves with that football, the way he glides through, and the presence that he possesses. You can feel it in our voices, you can hear it at the Salt Lake Stadium. He is the GOAT, and that is why it's a fitting start to the GOAT tour that it happens here in the Mecca of Indian football.
Absolutely, and I think it might not be showing on his face, but I think in the winter sun of Kolkata, what's going on inside his heart is a whirlwind of emotions, possibly trying to gauge. He knows what Kolkata football fans can be like, and now he's soaking it for a second time, just trying to gauge the emotions, the raw, crude feelings that come with him.
Yeah, to have an absolute packed out house for the great man who's not even playing, he's just come and he might just play a little bit of tiki-taka here and there, just goes to show the fandom and the love that everybody has for him.
Again, the crowd would love to see that ball being juggled with his magical left foot. It's a keepsake photograph. And Kolkata has always been, it's called the Mecca of the Indian football. और काफी सारे खिलाड़ी आ चुके हैं. लेव यासिन दुनिया की सबसे अहम गोलकीपर में एक है, वो आ चुके थे 1955 साल में, वो यहाँ पे खेले थे, और वहाँ पे कोलकाता और यूएसएसआर की एक मैच हुई थी, फ्रेंडली मैच, तो वहीं से शुरू हुआ। किंग और एम्परर पेले वो 2 बार आ चुके थे, खेले थे एक बार न्यूयॉर्क कॉस्मोस को के मोहन बगान क्लब के खिलाफ ईडन गार्डन्स में, और उसके बाद में भी वो आए थे 2 बार, और दोबारा आए थे डिएगो अर्मांडो मैराडोना, कभी खेले नहीं लेकिन वो भी छाए हुए थे यहाँ।
Yes, and we can go on and on about the folklore of Kolkata football. Of course, Ronaldinho coming as well a few years ago, Emi Martinez, who helped Messi win the World Cup, he came as well. And a bit of a lap of honor here for the GOAT as he moves around the Salt Lake Stadium, and the fans can get a closer look of him.
Hear it in their shouts. You can hear it in their cheers. Even being in the same vicinity as Lionel Messi is like touching God in the flesh. In your dreams maybe, in your emotions maybe, in your thoughts maybe.
Fan moment, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you
It's a once in a lifetime moment. It's like a dream.
saw a quick celebration there, somebody just got an autograph of Messi.
Once again, if I'm not too mistaken. And then in 2000, the final, Mario Götze rattled them in 6 minutes to go. But then as
लाइफ में किसी के भी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा आता नहीं.
Team just a couple of months after that World Cup final loss, and Messi and Suarez, part of the famous Barcelona side, winning.
कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि अभी और काफी सारे इवेंट्स बाकी हैं और पिक्चर